Good morning, all of you. Today I am discussing about calculus, that is fundamental concept of calculus, that is limit. What is limit? Can analyze the behavior of the function at the particular neighborhood point, that is called limit. Analyze the behavior of the function at the neighborhood of particular point, that is called limit. For example, I am taking f of x, that is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Understand? Once again, I repeat the definition. We analyze the behavior of the function at neighborhood of particular point, that is called limit. Here I am taking one function f of x equal to 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 2 times of 1 plus 3, that equals to 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. F of 1 is equal to 5. This is the value of the function at 1. Value of the function at 1. This is value of the function. This 5 is called limit at 1. Limit at 1 means, that is, we take in neighborhood points. What is the behavior of the function? Neighborhood points means I am taking 1 minus and 1 plus. These are the neighborhood of 1. Neighborhood of 1. What is the behavior of the function? We are getting same value or not? 5 means exact, not exactly 5. I am taking here exactly means approx value 4.999. That also called limit only. That also called limit. Okay, means x equal, not exactly x equal to 1. Okay, here also we taking approx value means neighborhoods 1 minus and 1 plus. That behavior of the function how is changed. I am taking f of 1 minus means you taking, that is 1 minus h. Here 1 plus means you taking 1 plus h. H is smaller value. H is smaller value of 1. H is smaller value. Okay. By using these two cases, what is the behavior of the function? Definition. In definition also we taking like this. Definition also taking like this. Here neighborhood of the given value means x, I am taking x some value, that is x belongs to a minus h comma a plus h. A minus h, a plus h are neighborhood points of x. Then here h greater than 0. Here L is limit of f of x. Here L is limit of f of x. Then limit x approaches to a, f of x is equal to L. It is called definition of the limit. Here x, it is nothing but two cases in neighborhoods a minus h, and another case is a plus h. In a minus h, a plus h, what is the behavior of the function? That is limit. Now I am taking one example. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. Here, what is the question? At x equal to 1, behavior of f of x. Behavior of f of x. At x equal to 1 means it taken at x equal to a, 1 nothing but a. At x equal to a. What is the definition? X belongs to a minus h comma a plus h. I am taking this one neighborhood points are 1 minus h comma 1 plus h. Here 1 minus h comma 1 plus h. What is the approx value or limit of f of x? Actually directly one substitute, we are getting f of 1 equal to how much? 5 only, na? 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 5. That 5 is with respect to this neighborhood values, it is correct or not. That is called limit. F of x equal to 1 minus h, after substitution we are getting 5 or not. That is called left hand limit. X equal to 1 plus h, after substitution we are getting 5 or not. That is called right hand limit. Okay, please take this. Here, what is the definition? Limit x approaches to a, f of x equal to L. Okay, that is the definition. From definition I am taken. Limit x replace x belongs to what is that? 1 minus h comma 1 plus h. I am taken 1 minus h. A value how much? 1. F of x how much? 2x plus 3. Here x replace how much? I have taken 1 minus h, and here also replace. Limit 1 minus h tends to 1. 2 times of 1 minus h plus 3. Here 1 cancel, we are getting h tends to 0. 2 minus 2h plus 3. H replace 0. This h replace 0, we are getting 2 plus 3 only, na? That is 5. This is called left hand limit. Because 1 minus h is nothing but left hand limit. Left hand value, left hand neighborhood. 1 minus h nothing but left hand neighborhood. At left hand neighborhood we are getting 5. This is called left hand limit or approx value. Approx value. I am taking now 1 plus h. Same definition. 1 plus h tends to 1. 2x plus 3. Here 1 plus h tends to 1. Here x replace 1 plus h plus 3. Here h tends to 0. 2 plus 2h plus 3. Then we get answer is 2 plus 3. That is 5. This is 5 is called right hand limit. That 5 is called because 1 plus h, it is right hand neighborhood. After that both are equal or not? Both are we getting equal. Therefore left hand limit equals to right hand limit. That is limit is exist. Limit exists. When it is, if left hand limit equals to right hand limit. This is the neighborhood, the behavior of the function we can verify like this. That is called limit concept or fundamental concept of calculus. Okay. Next, another example I am taking. If f of x is equals to x square minus 16 by x minus 4, limit x tends to 4, x square minus 16 by x minus 4. Okay, at x equal to 4, behavior of the function. This is the question. At x equal to 4, behavior of f of x. This is the question. Second one. I am taking limit x tends to 4. Apply that condition, x square minus 4 16 by x minus 4. Here x square minus 16, like this, x square minus 4 square only, na, by x minus 4. Here a square minus b square formula apply. Limit x tends to 4, x plus 4 into x minus 4 by x minus 4 cancel. We getting limit x tends to 4, x plus 4. Here at x equal to, we taking neighborhood points. That is 4 minus is the left neighborhood of 4. 4 plus is the right neighborhood 4. This is the left hand neighborhood. This is right hand neighborhood. It 4 minus at 4 plus this function. What is the value? Actually, direct 4 substitution we getting 4 plus 4 means 8. That is correct or not? With respect to neighborhoods, you can check. With respect to neighborhood, you can check. I am taking first 4 minus means left hand neighborhood. Left hand neighborhood I am taking. Here x, here f of x. This is another verification, another method. Here x value 4 minus left hand neighborhood. Now 4 minus means I am taking here 3.8, 3.9, 3.99, 3.999 is nearly equals to 4. Next here f of x changes. F of x changes, left hand neighborhood means 7.8, 7.9, 7.99, 7.99 and nearly equals to 8. This is limit. It is 8 is called limit or approx value at x equal to 4. Okay. Next this is right hand. I am taking, that is 4 plus. What is the changes? Please check this. Here 4 plus means here x, here f of x. 4 plus means 4.1, 4.01, 4.001, 4.0001. Here nearly equals to 4 only. Here 8.1, 8.01, 8.001, 8.0001 nearly equals to, it is also 8 only. Here nearly equals to 4, here nearly equals to 8. Please see that. Okay, this 8 is called limit. This is left hand limit, this is right hand limit. Both are is equal, therefore limit is exist. This is the limit concept totally. Okay, like this verification. What is the definition of limit? What is the definition of limit? This is the fundamental concept of calculus. We can analyze behavior of the function at a neighborhood point. Okay, at a particular neighborhood point. Okay, what is the behavior of the function? That is called limit. What is the formula? Limit x tends to a, f of x equal to L. This is the formula in words. Limit x tends to a, f of x equal to L. Okay, this is the definition. At x equal to a, at neighborhood point, this is neighborhood. At neighborhood point, behavior of the function, we getting some value. That is left hand either or right hand. Okay, left hand limit and right hand limit, both. We taken left hand neighborhood, right hand neighborhood. The behavior of the function, it is exist or not, we can checking. This is the concept. Limit x tends to a, f of x equal to L. Okay. Thank you. Next, in next class, I will discuss properties and some formulas also. Okay. Any doubt is there, please comment me, I will give reply. Once again, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.